Are you being annoyed by the Tsappcmp Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. While preparing the manual steps for Tsappcmp library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Tsappcmp library, the Remote Desktop Terminal Services Application Compatibility module. It manages the unmanaged redirection of registry and file system calls for applications running in a multi-user RDS environment. It prevents user-specific data from colliding. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like Tsappcmp Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Tsappcmp library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Tsappcmp Library DLL. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Tsappcmp library dependencies. If your workstation is back online and Tsappcmp library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.